Hey guys, welcome back to the Kimball Project. So got another oil leak on the beamer. So I'm pretty sure it's coming from the rear corner of the valve cover gasket, and I used a depth stitch little camera device. Wi-Fi is right to your phone, so you can use your phone as a display for it. This thing works awesome. I'll put a link in the description down below for it, and I'll show you in the video how it worked. But anyway, I knew it wasn't coming from the oil pan gasket because I replaced that, and the oil filter housing gasket, everything's clean around that. So I used this little device to scope up in between my engine on the back side of it, and I can see that there's a pretty good drip coming down the rear corner of the engine, and it's dripping onto my downpipes, all that type of stuff. So what we're going to do today is replace that valve cover gasket, and hopefully that will fix my oil leak problems for now. I think the last place that there could be an oil leak is the rear main seal. I did look at it with the camera, and it didn't look like it was dripping any oil. There's no oil built up on the bottom of it or anything. It's a little wet around the seal, but that's about it. There's not a lot of oil dripping from it. So I hope that replacing the valve cover gasket will do the trick. So let's get started on this one. So I'm going to try out my Ryobi impact wrench. I just got it. It's a 1+ system, so the link to this will be in the description as well, but let's give this one a shot. The tower bar is an E14, which is an external socket. Oh yeah, baby. The middle one is an E18. You don't want to pull that one completely out, you just want to loosen it up. Out of the way. Out. See how much more slack they got now. One thing you want to do is disconnect the negative side of the terminal on the battery. Notice my glove is keeps getting ripped. One cool thing I found is glove liners. These little things make it super easy to change gloves, especially when your hands start getting sweaty. So these will be in my link in my description as well. See, glove liners, my hand is sweaty. Glove liners, you can pull the glove right back on, super easy. So just a little tip for anyone that cares. Just want to show you the depth stack camera system here. So what you do with this, you just turn it on, there's a little switch here. Then what you do is, as you can see it's working now. See the little light in there. So you come over to you just connect through a Wi-Fi on your phone. It's not really picking up the camera. Then you open up the depth stitch app, and you can see it comes through on the phone. So it works pretty good. I'll give a little demonstration of it. Okay, so there's the view of my phone. And all I did was probe around back in the back here. I actually went underneath to see the drip. And you can see right there, there's a lot of oil coming out. Yeah. You see, I mean, the camera works awesome. It's just you got to get it in the right position to see. I can't really get it in the right position to see because I did this from the bottom side to see where the drip was coming from. So that's how I found that it was leaking from this corner. Okay, you see that they got a ton of oil on them. So that's no good. That means there's oil. Oh yeah, there's all kinds of oil in my spark plug, so there's definitely valve cover leak or crack. I'm hoping it's not a crack. So that means I would have to get a new valve cover. You can definitely see there's some oil down in there. So there's definitely some leakage somewhere. Leaked in that same area before, so this spool right here is 17 millimeter, and these are 14 millimeter. These are just 11 millimeter nuts. New line. Get the vacuum lines out the way. Okay, so basically now we can actually pull this whole thing out. Okay, so to get these little screws out right here, these big studs, I got a tool from Amazon, 10 millimeter, super deep. I'll put a link in the description for this as well. my valve cover off, and you can really see the oil right in there. There's a puddle of it. Looks like it's leaking right there. It's leaking right there a little bit. Definitely leaking down at the end over there. You can't really see it. There you go. Leaking there. Leak from that corner. So the valve cover is definitely leaking. I just don't know how to fix it. No, I won't say that. Oh, I got all the surface cleaned up. Some brake cleaner. As you can see, it's nice and clean now. No oil, nothing. So I'm gonna put the gasket in the cover and get that installed. The valve cover all torqued down, 7.5 foot-pounds. I did a crisscross pattern from the center outside. First I did the inner row and then I did the outer row. Hopefully, maybe I didn't do that last time or something. I don't know. Last time the gasket looked good when I pulled it off, so I don't know. Maybe they just weren't torqued down enough or something. Anyway, unfortunately, all my camera batteries have died, and this is pretty much the end of the process. I just have to put everything back on and it should be good to go. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry, unfortunately my cameras ran out of batteries for it, and I didn't get as much footage as I wanted, especially putting it all back together. But and the layout, I did a little bit different this time, and I didn't like how I did it. I shouldn't have talked so much through the videos, and maybe I should just maybe I'll cut it, explain what I'm doing, and then do some high-speed footage throughout, or a time-lapse or whatever. But anyway, I got more videos coming. This one took me a little bit longer because of that, editing it. So hopefully I can shorten them up in the future and get them a little bit more precise. But anyway, that's it for this project. I got another one. Probably in a couple weeks I'll check on this one and see if it actually solved the oil leak. So until next time, remember, save yourself some money and just do it yourself.